Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, ChaoticCritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a closer look at my new planner, the planner that I'm going to more than likely be carrying into 2021. And to be honest, my system of planning has not changed, just what I'm planning in has. But if you've watched any of my previous videos, especially throughout this year, how I put my spreads together, I'd say more so within the last 6 months, from me being in a bound planner, going to rings, going back to a bullet journal style, all of that planning is still the same. Again, it's just in a different location. So my two planner system is still intact. I have my memory planner, which gets all the stickers. I will be sharing more spreads from here, but I will have a playlist below for you guys to check out. This planner is from Michaels. It is an 18-month planner. I usually don't do 18-month planners, but because I'm using it as a memory planner and it stays in my office or somewhere around my house, wherever I'm planning, it works out for me. As for the planner that I am using to keep up with all the things, it's actually the Sketchbook from Michaels. Here I am, just getting all the Michaels stuff. It's the Sketchbook from Michaels that I went and customized and made my own. So I watch a lot of inspiration. I know a lot of people get inspiration not just from YouTube videos, but also on Instagram. JournalJotAndJive has been one of my favorites lately, and she has this segment on her page called A Journal Quickie, and she's also having a journaling, is it a journaling boot camp? I'll have her page down below for you guys to check it out, but it's going to be in early January. So I love her journaling segment. I love that she was still doing like that authentic, straight to the point, still has that creativity mixed in with her journal. And she was using it on a ring kind of system, or coil, whatever you want to call it. It's not ring, it's definitely a coil. This is a wire O binding, this one here. So I was inspired to just go back to the basics, and I did have a bound option. I've used a lot of different bound ones this year. I tried to use the Sequins one, and then I had another one, this one here from Target. And this one I love. This one from Target I really loved. And I used a lot of sticky notes when planning in this. I have videos where I showed you guys my setup with this. So, and this one was just more of a, I have a love-hate relationship with the Sequins. I prefer the Stalogy, but I love the bright white pages of this. So I didn't really want to go back to a Stalogy. I didn't really want to go and spend a whole bunch of money on a planner. I love the one that JournalJotAndJive has. She sells it in her shop. I think that one sold out, but she does have new ones available. Again, I'll have her information linked below. But I just went to Michael's and I was like, I can have that coil feel and take a sketchbook and just make it my own. So that is what I went and did. So here is the sketchbook. It had a painting on the front, and I just used black scrapbook paper. And these dolls here are from Gold Mine & Cocoa, and the Protect Your Mental decal is from my shop, 15 Roses. And then when you open it up, I ended up making this impromptu pocket where I just have some cloth and paper sticky notes, and these are more dolls from Gold Mine & Cocoa. These dolls specifically from Gold Mine & Cocoa are from her Mistletoe collection, as is this card. I pretty much got everything from that Mistletoe collection. I got majority of the dolls. I did share it in the haul. I'll have the haul link below. So Gold Mine & Cocoa, I do have a code. You can use ChaoticCritic to save 10%. And then for my shop, 15 Roses, you can use the code CTC to save 30%. And I have not just decals, but I have apparel and drinkware as well. So you guys can check that out. Then when we get into what I'm using the pages for, I do have my information in here, so I'm not going to get too much into details on that. But as you can see, sticky notes are everything. I've had some comments of people saying that sticky notes are not for them. I love my sticky notes. I love being able to layer with these. These are great not just for functional, but they can also be used as decorative purposes as well. And then I have this list pad, and I have another one from, I have a few more from Cloth and Paper. So I have this one here, which actually there's a matching sticky note. Where is it? Here it is. So there's a matching sticky note that goes with this one. And then I also have this one, which I got in some Happy Mail. So I've just been loving using this one. I use it for a variety of lists. So basically what I do is I'll go to just a blank page inside of here, and I'll take one of these pages and I'll just go ahead and tape it right in, and then underneath I'll stagger another one and stagger another one, and I'm able to write on this. And then if I need to write on the page, I have the flexibility to do that, and I can also add in sticky notes. So this is my weekly planning. Any notes that I'm taking, anything that I want to reference, I put it all inside of here. Keeping up with my bills, which I'll be doing in a separate video, it's all in here. So it's just a one-stop shop for me. I'm trying to keep my system as simplified and functional as possible, and I'm a strong believer in having your planner meet you where you are. So that is my system in a nutshell. I will be doing maybe some kind of layering for like my specific spreads inside of here, which I'll share. On the back here, I do have this pocket that I got in an order from, I believe the shop is Rose Shadow Collection, and then these sticky notes came with it. So I'll be using all of my sticky notes, and these are conveniently in the front here, my little janky pocket, but it works. So that's all that matters, and I'm happy with my system right now, and that is what matters the most. It is meeting me where I am in my life right now, and that's just having a one-stop shop to keep up with whether it's my bills, my notes, what I need to get done, projects I'm working on. It's just all in this central location, and it was very affordable to do this, to transition, I should say. It was very affordable to transition to this because this I already had in my stash, like the paper and stuff. And then the sticky notes I had as well. It was just a matter of buying the book, and the book was under $10 and I had a coupon. So that is my current system. Again, I'm still just working with my two planners. This is my catch-all, my functional planner, and then this one here is my memory planner, and I have so many videos on how I set all this up, so I'll link as much as I can in the description box for your convenience. But that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know what you think about me switching, y'all, because before I told you I was torn between an A5 and a B6 rings. Here's the B6 rings. I kind of did go ahead and set it up a little bit. So I have this paper here, and then I have these dashboards. I have another dashboard somewhere in here. Here's another dashboard. So, and then this paper that I trimmed down from the A5, and I put it inside of the rings. So these rings, actually, this is a print impression planner. These rings are actually pretty large. Who knows if I'll ever want to move back into this. I love this size. The sizing is not that off. So something more compact is just what I'm loving. And if I ever move back into the B6 rings, I have that option ready. But this is what I am content with right now, and it's what's working for me. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Would love to chat with you there. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have related videos, anything that I mentioned, from shops to people to check out. And of course, the links to the blog and Instagram and my shop, 15 Roses. The blog is ChaoticCritic.com. My Instagram is @ChaoticCritic. If you guys would like to check out my shop, it is 15roses.com. And my social media is @shop15roses. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.